All right, section 3.7. We're going to be finding slopes. You guys did slopes before, Megan? Right, Megan? Amber, right? Did slopes before, right, Megan? Yeah. All right. Slopes are always my change in my y over my change in my x. What's the, and here, I did this, I had this talk with my daughter last night, right? She says, Dad, we're getting into slopes. We're getting into slopes now. My teacher is really confusing me. And I said, all slope is, what's the difference between the y points and the x points? What's the difference? All right? Not always. All right? So if we notice this, what's the difference between the x points and the y points? I'm going to look at my points here that they give me. They give me negative 4, 4, this point right here, and they're giving me negative 1, 2. I've got my points. I should be able to use this equation over here, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, to be able to figure out what my slope is. What are they asking you here? Find the slope of the line passing through the given points. Pretty easy? Easy peasy. You guys got this? Kaylee, you got this? All right, Casey, good. Let's take a look here once. What else can they show us? Well, that's this page. Now it's talking graph the line. I know how much you guys like the graph. Can we use Gizmo for it? No. Desmos? No. No. We're going to graph the line. So, what do we need to know for graphing the line? It has to start at one point and end at another point. What kind of equation is this? What kind of equation is that? Y equals mx plus b. It is our slope-intercept form right there. Slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. What is our x? What is our m in this one? 3. And then what is that? It's our slope, right? So we know our slope to be 3 or 3 over 1. Because we don't have to show that in there, but there's a 3 over 1 in there. So we know that our slope is that. What is our negative 4? This is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. So how would we graph this one? We'd go, no, not yet. We'd have to find our y-intercept. We'd go down to negative 4. There's 1 point. And now we're going to do what? We're going to go up 3 and over 1. There's our next point, and then we can draw our line. Let's take a look at the next one then. What is this? What form is that? Point slope. So what's our point? Y equals what? Y equals what? 2. So we can go up 2. What's our x going to equal? What's our x equal? 3. Does it? We're looking at the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? We don't have to do anything. It tells us. We're looking at 2 here, right? Minus y, this is the minus 2. We're looking at a minus 3 here. So if we go up 2 and minus 3, there's our first point. What's our slope in this one? What's our slope in this one? What's our slope in this one? It's 1. We don't show it here, but there's a 1 out front of this, which would mean it's 1 over 1, 1 over 1 up. All right, there's our line. Let's look at the last one here. Let's look at the last one here. What form is it in? Point slope. So what's our point? Minus. This is a plus. Minus 2. So it's going to be minus 2, and then what's our y, or that's our y. What's our x? Minus 3. It's opposite that sign, so it's right here is our point. What's our slope? Negative 4 is our slope. What's the slope look like, Casey? Negative 4 over 1, right? This would always be over 1. So what would we do from this point here? We're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go over 1. And that's our line. All right. Any questions on that? This is practice. Given the following information, write an equation of the line. Can we do that? If we know a slope, we know a point, can we use the point slope? Yeah, to be able to come up with an equation. Yes, you get to do that too. Good, should be easy then. Nope. All right, that just tells us about slope. You have, on the first page, find the slope passing through the given points. You guys know what to do there? You're just looking for the slope. Slope formula. Back door. Back door. No, this is a different one. All right, let's see. I want you to do all of them through 12. 1 through 12. So you're going to do 1 through 12 on both sheets.